Hi, and today we are going to learn vegetables. Carrot, carrot. This is a carrot. Carrot. This is cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. This is cabbage. Cabbage. Pumpkin, pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Spinach, spinach. This is spinach, spinach. Spinach. Broccoli, broccoli. This is broccoli. Broccoli. Kale, kale. Kale. This is kale. Kale. Cauliflower, cauliflower. This is cauliflower, cauliflower. Cauliflower. Sprouts, sprouts. These are sprouts. Sprouts, sprouts, sprouts. Parsnip, 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 parsnip. Leek, leek, leek. This is a leek. Leek. These are green beans. Beans. Green beans. Pepper. 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 This is pepper. Pepper. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. 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 This is a potato. Potato. Eggplant. 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 Asparagus. 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 Mushrooms. 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 Cucumber. 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 Courgette. 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 This sugar snaps. Sugar snaps. Sugar snaps. Corn. Baby corn. Baby corn. This is baby corn. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.